Welcome to another Thoughts on Tech video. It is September again. Like in the past years, after the first leaks on the next GoPro comes the second leak wave. The website winfuture.de published, just like last year, some renderings of the supposed new Hero 9 Black. Last year the published renderings showed to be the official renderings from GoPro. So it is fair to think that it is also like this in 2020. The leak has apparently the cooperation of the Twitter user Roland Quand. The renderings show a new GoPro with a color screen on the front. This stays in line with what the photos of the first leak induced us to presume. On the back we see a camera that is 100% identical to the Hero 8 Black. The only exception is this little detail here. It seems like the battery door lock has a larger surface to allow an easier opening with your fingers. This could already be found on the Media Mods door. The next two images show a lens cover that is different from the one on the Hero 8 and reminds more of the one on the Hero 7. This makes me really happy because there is a good probability that the removable lens cover is back with this new generation. On this side of the camera there is also a new element. I have seen some videos where the authors speculated about it being a third button. I don't think so. I am more inclined to think it is another door. If it was a button I would expect something printed on it to show the function. If Christmas, Easter and birthday came together this year, behind that door would be a USB-C port and a 3.5mm jack for an external microphone. This, together with the removable lens cover, would show GoPro listen to so many customers. The lack of a cutout on the new floaty in this area also speaks against the button theory. If it was one you would need a cutout here. The next images shared by the Twitter user GadgetGuy1020 show the package of the new camera. Not the traditional GoPro packaging but more like a case. It leads me to think it is the package of some kind of bundle. Will the camera also be available in the traditional packaging? There is also some details revealed on the specs of the camera. Here the most important seems to be the support of 5K resolution at 30 frames per second. This is not very visible in the images. And last but not least, a leak with origin at the official GoPro site. A user apparently saw this page that was later took offline. It shows the price of 680 Singaporean dollars for a Hero 9 bundle. Converted that is about €420. That would mean a bundle for the same price the Hero 8 launched last year. Is it too good to be true?